Hello everyone, and welcome back to Travel with Doc. Today we're exploring one of the most culturally rich and spiritually deep places on Jeju Island, the JEJU Stone Park. Located in Jecheon-eop, about a 30-minute drive from Jeju City, this park is more than just a nature walk. It's a symbolic journey into the myths, beliefs, and stone traditions of Jeju's people. Let's take a relaxing, story-filled walk through the remarkable landmarks of JEJU Stone Park. Our journey begins at the visitor center, where you'll get a glimpse of what to expect throughout the park. The layout is vast, over 1 million square meters. Don't forget to grab a map, wear comfortable shoes, and prepare for a calming, scenic walk through Jeju's volcanic legacy. We begin at the Stone Culture Outdoor Exhibition Zone, where nature and culture blend beautifully. This vast open space showcases volcanic stones in their natural and shaped forms, carved statues, symbolic stones, and even stone totems believed to guard villages. This zone is a visual introduction to Jeju's close relationship with stone, not only as a building material, but also as a spiritual presence in everyday life. And there's something fun here for everyone, especially the stamp book experience, where you collect stamps at each zone of the park. It's a great way to make sure you visit every highlight. Next, we head to one of the most peaceful and visually striking areas, the Sky Pond. This tranquil reflection pond mirrors the sky, surrounded by stones arranged to create a sense of balance. Right next to it is the Stone Museum, where you'll find centuries-old artifacts, geological displays, and artistic stonework that explain how Jeju's volcanic origin shaped its culture. Inside the museum, you'll also learn about the tools and stone carvings used in ancient rituals. A quiet, air-conditioned spot, perfect for both reflection and education. From there, we continue into the traditional Thatched Village Zone. Here, you can explore life-size recreations of Jeju's old homes, complete with stone walls, low roofs, and farming tools. You'll get a sense of how people once lived, cooked, and protected themselves from Jeju's strong winds using stone-based architecture. It's a living snapshot of Jeju's rural past. If you're a fan of Korean dramas, you might recognize some scenes here. Parts of the popular series Life Gives You Tangerines were filmed within JEJU Stone Park. The rustic backgrounds, scenic paths, and historical buildings make the perfect backdrop for storytelling. If you've seen the show, it's exciting to spot those familiar angles. A short walk away is one of the park's most powerful spots, the Tower of the 500 Generals. These statues represent the sons of Seolmundae Halmang, the grandmother goddess of Jeju, who is said to have died while cooking for them. The tall symbolic tower in the center is surrounded by 500 stone statues, each carved with a unique expression. Standing among them feels like stepping into ancient myth. Now let's check out the Jar Exhibition Hall. This hall is dedicated to showcasing the large earthenware jars once used for storing water, soy sauce, and fermented food like kimchi. Their shapes and arrangement give insight into Jeju's culinary and daily life traditions, and they're beautifully displayed in a quiet courtyard that feels like an ancient kitchen garden. Next, we enter the Seolmundae Halmang myth zone, the spiritual heart of the park. Through storytelling sculptures, murals, and earth-embedded stones, you'll learn about Seolmundae Halmang, the goddess who formed Jeju by carrying stones in her skirt and later became a guardian spirit. This area is calm and reverent, a place to reflect on nature, motherhood, and the soul of Jeju's legends. Toward the end of our walk, we come across the emotionally touching Mother's Room. This space is symbolic of Seolmundae Halmang's sacrifice, where she accidentally fell into a pot and died while preparing food for her sons. It's a powerful reminder of motherly love and loss, portrayed through poetic art and a softly lit interior. This room is quiet, respectful, and often leaves visitors reflecting deeply on the strength and pain of motherhood. JEJU Stone Park is much more than a tourist attraction. It's a sacred storytelling space, a living museum, and a tribute to the heart of Jeju Island. From natural stone sculptures to spiritual legends, from traditional villages to symbolic monuments, it's a place that speaks to your eyes, mind, and soul. Wear comfy shoes, bring water, and take your time here. You'll leave not just with photos, but with a piece of Jeju's soul in your heart. Don't forget to watch the rest of our videos and hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed traveling with us today. This is Travel with Doc, and we'll see you in the next magical spot of South Korea.